Our next unit is solving equations. So before we review how to solve equations, we're going to take a look at what it means to be a solution of an equation. So what it means is a value that makes the equation true, that when you substitute it in for the variable, both sides end up equaling each other. So we're going to start by looking at checking solutions of an equation. Our first example is asking if x equals 4 is a solution to the equation 4x minus 12 equals 8. So we start by replacing x with 4 and then using order of operations to simplify both sides of the equation to check to see if it's true. Using order of operations, on the left-hand side, multiplying will come before subtracting. So 4 times 4 gives us 16. And we're still going to check to see if it equals 8. 16 minus 12 is 4, and 4 does not equal 8. So no, x equals 4 is not a solution of our equation. Our next question is n equals negative 1, a solution to the equation. So we're going to take negative 1 and substitute it in for n. Again, using order of operations on the left-hand side, we're going to start inside our grouping symbols. Negative 1 plus 5 is 4. Does that equal negative 12? Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. So this time, yes, we have a solution to our equation. Example 3 is a equals 3 a solution to our equation. Replacing a with 3. And checking to see if that simplifies to 2. Remembering that our fraction bar is a grouping symbol, we're going to simplify the numerator. And in the numerator, we're going to multiply before we add. 3 times 3 gives us 9. Still simplifying in the numerator, 9 plus 1 gives us 10. And finally, 10 divided by 5 is 2. So yes, a equals 3 is a solution of our equation. Final example is m equals 8, a solution to our equation. This time we have 2 spots with a variable of m. So we're going to replace both variables with 8, multiplying 6 by 8 minus 2. Does that equal 2 times 8 plus 6? This time, because we have work on both sides of the equation, we can simplify them at the same time. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to multiply before I subtract, and 6 times 8 is 48. On the right-hand side, I'm going to multiply before I add, and 2 times 8 is 16. On the left-hand side, subtracting, 48 minus 2 is 46. And on the right-hand side, adding 16 plus 6 is 22. And of course, 46 does not equal 22. So no, m equals 8 is not a solution of our equation. I have a question that I would like you to try before coming to class, and we'll start with this as our warm-up.